The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wise County in north-central Texas, Denton County in north-central Texas, northwestern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Aurora or over Briar. Moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roads, centuries. Locations impacted include Frisco, Denton, Louisville, Flower Mound, The Colony, South Lake, Corinth, Highland Village, Hazel, Trophy Club, Lake Dallas, Lake Louisville, Briar, Eagle Mountain, Little Elm, Roanoke, Pecan Acres, Crum, Pilot Point, and Argyle. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for North Central Texas. The current time is 3:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You are listening to NWR All Hazards Radio, the voice of the